Guy, I've been calling for... Hello, I've been calling you for the last minute. What is that?
What's up?
What are you even wearing?
It's a Mintt Sound Hat, see? It has speakers, see? Built-in speakers.
What do you even use it for?
I use it to go jogging, outdoor adventure, or even escape from the kids. Sometimes you too.
Okay, let's get back to reality. How are you even gonna wash it?
Bro, it's washable. See? And it's only 50 kina.
A few moments later.
What the hell? Yo,
What?
what are you doing?
I'm escaping you and reality. Leave me alone.
Grab yourself a Mintt Sound Hat today at any phone house branch near you.